Good morning, gentle peeps. So today I am going to use this pallet and some extra spare wood I have. And this pallet I was using to block the way here. I'm gonna build me a pallet gate. See if I can get me some hinges and stuff and a latch from Lowe's or Home Depot, one of the two, and see what I can do about building me a gate right here, so that way we use it to keep the dogs from going back here this way, or keep our trash and stuff that goes outside. So I want to build a gate here so I can get through there instead of having to climb over this pallet gate, pallet blockage that I made there for the dogs. So I'll let you know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Okay, so one of the hardest parts is just breaking down the pallet. As you've seen, I did a little quick video. But instead of using those nails, I'm gonna use these Deckmate screws right here. So those Deckmate screws are made for decks and outdoors and last a long time. Plus I use that special head on the end of them, the star head that comes with it. I use it on my drill. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make me the top part of the fence, separate them, and put some boards behind them, and then put that cross board to give it some strength, and then that will be my gate that I'm making. So we'll see how it looks once I get done. If I was more professional and had more stuff, I would sand it and do all that, but I don't. So this is just a quick little DIY throw together with a old pallet. All right, thanks for watching. Ooh boy, I tell you what, it's a humid day out today. It's only like 85 degrees, but it's very, very humid out here today. So there's my gate. Again, it's just old pallet wood. And I did the tops and the bottoms. And then I did a cross beam for a little bit of sturdiness, but it's actually very sturdy. So now I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna do something on the side to hook my hinges, and then my latch hinges on one side and latch on the other side. So I need something on both sides for that to hook. So I'll probably use some type of 4x4s or something. I'm gonna see how tall they are, see what I have, and maybe get my latches and my hardware to put on there, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. All right, so I got it ready. I got some edges here and over here. All I do is go get my hardware, and I'll be ready to put this sucker up and see what it looks like. All right, I went to Lowe's and I got this little here matched latch, National Hardware Kit. So I'm gonna put that on my little fence, and we'll see my little gate and see how it works. All right, got my gate on, got my hinges, got the latch. So now you can just open it up, go back and forth, and that's good. Keep the dogs from in and out so they stay inside. So, thanks for watching.